Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you trial run of EPS Crusher, Rounder, and Deduster machine. After powering on the system, it enters the English interface. Click the language switch button to change the system language. After entering the system, it is currently in automatic mode. Simply click System Start to run the machine. If manual operation is required, click here to switch to manual mode. On the manual mode page, each motor can be tested individually. Now we switch back to automatic mode and start the system. After automatic mode starts, you can hear the motors running. Please wait about 30 seconds before feeding material. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.